In this video, I'll show you how the Crypto.com referral program works and how you can earn rewards by inviting friends. First, open the Crypto.com app on your phone and log in. On the home screen, tap More or your profile icon, then look for Refer and Earn or Referral Program. This is where you'll find your personal referral link and sometimes a referral code. The basic idea is simple. You share your link or code, your friend signs up through it, completes the required KYC verification, and usually needs to deposit or stake a certain amount, depending on the current promotion. When they meet those conditions, both of you can receive rewards, often in the form of bonus crypto or fee discounts. To invite someone, tap Share on the referral page and send your link via WhatsApp, Telegram, email, or social media, or just copy and paste it manually. Remind your friend to register using your link. Finish KYC. And follow any steps listed in the program rules so the bonus is actually unlocked. You can always return to the Refer and Earn page to see how many friends joined and check your earned or pending rewards. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.